Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at a loaded 26-foot C8 8-inch channel equipment and car hauler. With a beefy 8-inch channel frame and a low 27-inch deck height, the C8 is perfect for multi-car and heavy equipment transport. The C8 starts off with an HD 2 5/16 adjustable coupler and a rigid mount with our premium 7-way wiring harness. We've also optioned this trailer out with our 12,000-pound 2-speed jacks, giving us maximum lifting power for heavy loads in low gear or fast and easy cranking in high gear. We've also added 2 additional stake pockets to the front of the trailer for additional tie downs when securing equipment and cargo. With many great lumber options available, the C8 is optioned with number 2 treated southern yellow pine. The 83-inch wide deck makes loading water vehicles and equipment a breeze and is complemented with these steel fenders. We upgraded the cross members to a close 12-inch spacing for even more deck and frame strength under heavier loads. For our running gear, we have 3 7K Dexter Axles on a spring suspension with electric brakes, giving us a 21,000-pound GVWR. With multiple tail options available, we've optioned the C8 out with a 3.5-foot dovetail with 2 monster ramps. As always, you can check out more information on this trailer by going to pjtrailers.com, where you can find your closest dealer to help customize and order your next PJ trailer. Thanks, guys.